Now let's jump into the 3 pillars of AEO strategy. So you have the first part, which is content optimization. Very similar to SEO, content is still very important. So let's first look at the first pillar, which is content optimization. We used to have a very long written kind of content if you want to win in SEO, but right now in the world of AEO or GEO, this is no longer the case. What you really need to do is you need to have very high density value in your article, and that's about it. You don't need to write like 4,000 words. Sometimes just a short 540 words is good enough for you to get cited by the AI. That's number one. Information density is more important compared to the length of the article. Secondly, you need to structure your content in a way that is easy for AI to understand and it's easy for AI to actually extract the information from. So here we're using question-based headings because this is the kind of headings that the AI likes to read and they likes to cite. Provide direct, concise answers immediately. AI is very different compared to SEO. They're not going to be reading the full 4,000 words article just to try to extract a few words out of it. So that's why you need to create this kind of structure so that it's easy for them to get it. And try to use a simpler structure that is easier to scan. So sometimes you want to use table, sometimes you want to use list, bullet points and all that. And most importantly, you also want to put like summaries at the top. That's precisely how you want to optimize for AI search. When you are writing your article, you need to start to think about, okay, what is the actual user journey? So in this case, right, I have people searching for best hiking boots. Then we start to think about, okay, what would they want to also know? So they may want to do a comparison between waterproof versus breathable hiking boots. They may want to look at the different price ranges. They may want to look at only specific gender-related kind of boots. These are all the different potential next questions that they're going to be asking. So on your side, if you're writing an article about best hiking boots, or maybe you have a product about hiking boots, right? You need to create content to support this. This can be an FAQ within your product pages. It can be a separate article that you are using that links back to your own product pages.